everybody, it's Amanda. I just wanted to pop in here and show you a little how-to video on an app that I use when I'm cutting out images for my students. It's called LightX Express. It is $3.99 on the Apple Store. I use it on my phone and on my iPad, and it can be a really useful, easy to use app if you want to adapt a book for a student or just want to reduce the visual clutter behind an image, say for a student with cortical visual impairment. So LightX Express is an app where you can snap a screenshot or import a picture from your camera roll. And once it's open, you click the edit button. And then after doing that, there is the option to erase. I'm going to go back here and just show you. Erase is here in the center. This app is not accessible, by the way, with VoiceOver, but it is accessible if you do not need VoiceOver. So you use the eraser, and inside of eraser it has magic erase, which is what I'm using here, and you can see in the top left of the screen when I'm erasing, it kind of shows you a small zoomed in image of what I'm doing. And so I'm working through just doing big overall swipes. If I make a mistake, there is an undo button, and you can use your 2-finger pinch to zoom in and do some of the more finite areas, minute details. And you'll see sometimes I'm not very good at pinching and moving around that way. If you make a mistake and undo doesn't fix it, at the bottom there's the magic brush feature, which allows you to repaint the image that you erased. And then you can do an overall erase, which just erases everything and doesn't do it in a quote-unquote smart way. And so this is just me moving through, kind of going fast. To be honest, I kind of forgot there was the regular erase, so I'm just kind of trying to do a magic erase here. And you notice it doesn't do a very good job with some of these lines at the bottom of the image. I did pick a difficult image of Clifford with Emily, Elizabeth, and 2 other dogs on his back, and the scene is kind of complex as far as Clifford scenes go. So I just wanted to show you that you can do it even for some of the more complicated images. Obviously ones that are less complicated are going to be easier. Then once you think you've gotten a good picture, you can hit this forward button at the top right and check it out. And so I did not do a good job, so you'll see I go back and do some editing, seeing those areas that I missed. I check it another time, it looks a little bit better, go back, fix some more areas. I then remember, oh, I have regular erase. I go through and regular erase some things, just speeding through here. Try to get a better job around Clifford's paws. Then I remember I'm going to do this on a black background anyway, so it doesn't really matter all that much. And then just do a couple more things, and ta-da! Once you're done going around your image, this whole thing, and I went kind of slow when I originally recorded, it took me 4 minutes for this image, but usually it only takes me about 1 or 2 minutes just to do a quick crop through here. And then instead of just going through the whole process and saving and it to my camera roll, I just take a screenshot of my image right there, which is right here. Ta-da! Screenshot, crop it, upload it to Google Drive, and then I put it into a PowerPoint presentation or a video on my computer. So this part I do on my phone or iPad, and then I put it on my computer, and then I am done. So hopefully this helps you a little bit figure out one way. LightX Express is the app I use. There are tons of them out there. Some are free, some are not. This is just one that I've had for several years that I got a long time ago, and I still love it. So I hope you're having a great time with your COVID closure. Bye.